Hello and welcome back to another 5 minute first impressions. I'm Anthony Malik and this is reviewyour.website reviewing sharathDaniel.com. So let's go. And it's taken quite a while to load here. A lot longer than I would have expected for something quite small that's going on here. The image is quite slow loading as well. Okay, so the text is flying along very quickly. My first impression, I suppose, this is a 5 minute first impressions. My first impression is, apart from the loading, this is a really, really nice website. I really like the image in the background and I like the filter that's on it. I like the scrolling text here that's going on. It's really fresh, it's really new. Your colors going on are beautiful, they match the image. I'm not too sure where the blue is coming from. I suppose that pencil, but the green is coming from this little plant, the orange from this pad over here, the blue, I suppose, yeah, from the pencil. It really works really well. It's a well-chosen background, well-chosen text. So you're Sharath Daniel, you're a UI developer, you like making great ideas. Hello. Okay, so I think this text is actually moving a little bit too fast. I can't quite read it and understand what's going on. Well, maybe the hello could be quicker. That's okay, they're grand, that's okay. But this last one just takes me, I wish I had a little bit longer. Overall though, I'm quite liking this. I'm just gonna move this up a little bit just so I can see what time we're at. So I like we have, okay, so we have a little scroll down icon here. I love your little icon there, it's quite nice. Subtle little mouse over going on there, and the fade and the animation is very nice. Yeah, okay, so we know exactly what's going on. We know what you do. This is your website. We know what you're selling, and it's selling it really quite well so far. I don't have any criticisms of your splash page or this section, I guess, above the fold. I don't have any criticisms of that except for how long it took to load. So let's move on. I'm going to click the icon. Okay, so often when I see these icons and they do the JavaScript scrolling stuff, I like to test if they fight my actual scrolling going on, because sometimes I scroll it and I click it by accident and I don't want to go down and I want to scroll back up, and you can see that every time I do that, I'm trying to scroll back up now, it just gets jumpy and it forces me down. There is a code snippet that I've shared in a previous video. I'll try and fish it out for you and share it with you on Reddit, that can do the scrolling like this automatically without fighting the user scrolling. It's really quite nifty. So as we scroll down, okay, so we see this bar down the bottom which was hidden below the fold, and we're scrolling down, and as we just get just to the end, we see it pops down to about, and that's really nice. I like that. And then it sticks to the top of our viewport. It's quite nice. I love your icon there, is quite nice, and it's a very simple menu. It doesn't need to be anything more than that, and it tells us, yeah, I like that a lot. The little drop shadow underneath that is subtle, but it adds adds a difference there, which is very important, and it's a good UI element, I think. So about me, it almost looks like a cover page here. I can see it looks very nice actually. I love the overlay going on here. Your name works nicely. I think I see a little bit of a shadow at the bottom just to make the white text stand out, and that's really nice. Image is a little bit grainy though, although it does, for some reason, I don't know why, but it does sort of work. So I'm not going to read this, there's too much going on here, but I like where you're from. UI developer. Okay, so this straight away we know a little bit about you. We can see your thing, your face, so you're a real person in our minds now, and we can see your social icons going on. Let's go down my workflow. So we also have common headers going on, which is very nice. I like your application of white space in this. There's very nice. There's a lot of room to breathe and think as we go along. Your skills, I'm not a big fan of these percentage skill things going on here. A lot of people use them and it doesn't really tell us much information. History, nice little subtle animations going on here. It's really nice. In fact, yeah, I like this a lot. And you got the things at the back. Yeah, it's really nice. I wish I had a few more minutes to have a look through it. In fact, I might have a look through myself, but I don't have much time to talk about it in this video. But other than this, really nice elements. It's the whole idea is going on. It's very nice. No main criticisms of this website at the moment, except for possibly that scrolling. Nice little parallax going on here as well. So I hope this was useful. Thanks very much. Bye.